Introducing Mehta's 4-axis CNC machine, Model 4X3151 VATC. This is a closed-body 4-axis machine suitable for carbon fiber, wood, thermocol patterns, plastics and similar materials. It comes with advanced controller, a precise 4-axis head and a strong vacuum bed, making it easy to handle complex jobs. It has a large working area with X-axis 3.1 meters, Y-axis 5.1 meters and Z-axis 0.7 meters, so it can work on big components smoothly. It uses a high-performance 4-axis spindle, which allows cutting from multiple angles with great accuracy. And it is widely used in industries like aerospace, woodworking, pattern making, defense and sculpture, where precision and quality matter the most.